all ones. How are you? Yes, I think that one was fine. Let's we have to put our lesson. Yesterday I taught you first video. Lesson number 4. Okay, in this lesson already we learned the different patterns on the problem. Okay, and first one is a block printing. Next one is chicken curry. Next ticket, tie and dye. Last one is a kalamkari. We know very well block printing. It is famous in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and then West Bengal. Okay? And next one is chicken curry. Chicken curry is a particular type of embroidery. It is famous in Lucknow in UP. Okay? And next one is a ticket. This is a particular type of that printing and the pattern making. They are making the threads, a bundle of threads and then covering it, and that is a famous in Odisha and then Andhra Pradesh. Next one is a tie and dye. We had to dye the cloth and then after we have dipped that one into the dye, and that process is known as the bandhani. Also tie and dye is also known as the bandhani, and it is famous in Rajasthan and then Gujarat. Okay, and the last one is a kalamkari. The craftsmen are use their pen and then draw the freehand picture, and then after they are using their paint and brush they are coloring it. Such a type of printing is known as the kalamkari. It is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are the 5 types of patterns on the code. Let's we have to do some activities here, and then that activities purpose I am taking that one tray, and then to mixing the color purpose I am using this tray, and then I am using here food color and then different types of food color. In your home also there in that different types of food color, because you need to eat colorful cakes and then chocolates or anything, and then your parents also adding some food color. Okay, and then next it is a very bad for our health, don't use more. And the next one you had to see, this is a turmeric powder. Okay, these all materials we had to use to make the patterns. That purpose I am using the blocks. This is known as the wooden blocks. Okay, this is a wooden blocks. We had to design carving wooden blocks are there, and we had to dip that one into the water, color water or dye, and then press on the cloth. Then we had to get the imprints on the cloth. Okay, that purpose I am using this wooden blocks. Okay, and these wooden blocks here we had to see the designs are there. The hand purpose we know that hands also there here. Okay, we had to catch here and then dip that one into color. First of all, I need to make the colors. Okay, that purpose I am using the water and then pour that one into tray. Next I had to use here colors. I am adding that is some color here, and then different colors I am mixing, and then we had to make the color. We had to mix this one with the water. Okay, and then we had to get the dye or color. Okay, and then what I have to do next time, I have to take that one cloth. Here you have to see the cloth. Okay, any light colored cloth or dark color, and then any light colored cloth we have to take, and then we have to press these wooden blocks. First pressing before we need to dip that one into water. Okay, color water, not a pure water. We had to dip that one into color, and then after we had to press on the cloth. Okay, just I am going to press that one into cloth, and then that carved one, just you have to see here I am dip that one into cloth, and then we had to get the designs on the cloth. Okay, and then just we had imprints, repeat that imprints, and then what is there on that blocks, what designs are there in that blocks, we had to get that designs on the cloth. Okay, just you have to see like this designs you have to get. Okay, so we are taking thick paste. means a thick dye, and we had to make our cloth like that designs. Okay, this is a wet now. Okay, and then now I made this one here. Just you have to touch here, and then that time you have to see that is a spread. So it should not spread. That purpose we had to keep away to the sunlight and to drying purpose. Okay, that is known as the block printing. I think that all ones are getting that. Okay, and then did you understand? This is known as the block printing. That purpose, block printing purpose, we had to use the wooden blocks, design carved wooden blocks, and then colors. We had to put that wooden blocks into the, or dip that one into the colors, and then imprints on the cloth. Thus we had to get designed cloth. That design is known as the block printing. Okay, and the first one is a block printing. You all must understood it. It is famous in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, UP, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Next one is chicken curry. And chicken curry purpose we had to use the cloth. Any cloth we had to use, and then that purpose we had to take that thread and then woolen cloth. Here you have to see the cloth is actually this is a net, and then very easy to stitching purpose we had to use, and then like this mat we had to use and then stitch. Okay, and then that purpose I am taking different types of woolen cloth. Sorry, woolen thread. This is a woolen thread. Okay, and then we had to use that needles and thread. Just first we need to draw the picture by using that your sketch or anything, pencil or anything. We have to draw that picture. What designs you need on the cloth? What picture you need on the cloth, and then you have to design that one or draw, and then you have to decide which one you need. Okay, after we had to make that pattern, stitch and then make that pattern. Here I am draw this picture, and then after we had to use our thread and the needles, and then we had to stitch the flower. This type of stitching is known as the chicken curry. This is a famous in right now in UP. Just we had to use the thread and then what is the thread and needles are there. Just we had to stitch it, and then we had to get the beautiful flower. I know that one. Your parents all ones are doing this work at home. Okay, this is an entertainment and then somebody's hobby also. And then just you had to ask it to your grandmother, and then they are so interesting to do this work. Okay, and I hope you all ones are trying to do this work at home. Okay, and then this method of stitching is known as, to making the pattern is known as chicken curry. Okay, and then we had to make it, we take the time, so you had to try to do at home by using the needle and the thread. Okay, this is known as the chicken curry. Next one is ikat. This should be there. We need, if suppose we need to make the ikat on the cloth, compulsory we had to change the rules. Okay, this is some issues we need. First is they are using that cotton and then silk thread, and they are making bundles and then arranging properly and then dip into the color. That is a ikat. We can't do in the classroom. So next one is tie and dye. Tie and dye is very easy. We had to try at home also, and we had to make a beautiful or attractive clothes, a scarf or anything, or your handkerchief also you have to make it beautiful by using the tie and dye method. That purpose no need to move another color. In your home is a natural color. Okay, what the natural color? Next lesson we had to, next part we had to learn. And then here we have to use the natural color and making the beautiful handkerchief and scarf or everything. Okay, and then that is known as a tie. Thus we had to see how we had to make the tie and dye. Then that purpose I am taking that one cloth, any old cloth or anything, just you have to try to take. And then that purpose we need some materials. I am showing that materials to you. Here we need some marble paste. This is a marbles. Or if you do not have that marbles means that you have to take, this is a marbles, okay. If you don't have the like this marbles means that you have to take the stones also. Okay, and first we had to tie, that is known as tie and dye. First we had to, that purpose, first we had to tie with this one. Here rubber band is with you means that you have to use that rubber band. Okay, and then like this we had to tie all ones. If you need that different colors, colorful things you need to use means that you have to use the different colors also. And then here one I am tied here, and the next also if we need some gap means that like this gap also you have to give, that is your own wish. Okay, and then here we have to tie that one. And then this is also very interesting activity, you have to do this one to your home. Okay, and then you have to make the beautiful handkerchief. Whenever you come back here, you have to show me that activities. Okay, are you sure you are showing? Okay, sure. And then you have to do that work at home. Okay, and then more marbles are there, and then you have to make you have to tie the complete marbles also. Okay, just I am using here 4 marbles, and then just I am trying to do that work. Okay, and then first what we had to do, we had to tie the marbles on the cloth, and then after, and then I tied that here, 4 marbles only I am tied here. Okay, here I am used that 4 marbles, and then I am tied each together, and then after what I am doing, I am dip this one into dye. Okay, I am already here prepared that dye for block printing purpose. Here is the color is the, I am using the turmeric powder and then food color, and then made that liquid here. Okay, just I am put this marble piece into the color. Okay, this one I am put into the, not just I am dip. Can you see this one? Okay, like this we had to do. Okay, just we had to put, okay, here just we had to put this one or dip into color like this we had to do. Okay, all ones are wet, let them dry. Okay, we had to keep one side, this one to drying purpose. Okay, just I put this one into here, one sponge is there, and then afterwards we had to leave it that one to drying purpose. After drying we had to get a beautiful handkerchief. Okay, here I am using that red colors. Okay, can you see? And the turmeric powder, and then what I am used it, turmeric color, food color only I am using it. Done this one, and then next I am using that in this side I am used only orange food color and then turmeric color. So I got that different patterns here. This type of printing is known as tie and dye. What is this one? This one is known as tie and dye. This is famous in Rajasthan and Gujarat. The tie and dye is also known as bandhani. This is one, tie and dye is also known as bandhani. Okay, and then just we had to look here, and what happened? It is not dry, so we are not getting the correct shape what we are wish, and then we need to keep that one to completely drying purpose. That time only we had to get the colorful here, like this we had to get. Okay, and the same like we had to remove each and every marble piece, and we had to get the